Hi there, this is Jez. We've ordered a demo kit of the latest Teams Room system, or one of the latest ones by Yealink. It's called an MVC400, and I'm just going to introduce you to the components and the beginnings of unboxing and understanding what we have here. I'm pretty sure this presentation pod holder came with it. That, I think, is for dropping your Wi-Fi, your remote into. Slightly strange extra. I think it's more of branding, more of a gimmick really. That I think that's what that's for. And let's put that over there. Now the main components are. Well, I'll come back to that. This is your. How do we get into it? This is your soundbar. Across the room, and the soundbar, this rather fancy gadget here, contains a good camera, microphone, and of course speakers, and this gets attached underneath the TV. We'll probably put it on top, maybe a bit high, I think underneath, and has various microphone, video out, power, line in, and USB connection on the bottom, and loads of other gubbins in here, cables, power cables. It looks like a remote. I'm not sure what the cable ties, that must be a remote. A mounting bracket, which is going to be handy for us because I'm going to mount it underneath our TV. Chuck that to one side. Two more rather vital components. We've got the MTouch II and the MCore device. The MTouch II, well, let's start with the MCore. The MCore is pretty much a mini PC. This will do all the work. I'm guessing in there just power supplies and a mounting bracket. This is pretty much the brains of the kit. Press the buttons to open. Ooh. Yeah, Ethernet, VCH, I guess that's for the MTouch, 4 USB connections, 2 HDMI, and power. Kind of bespoke mini PC. And this, I think, is probably the main interface for interacting with the device, plus various cables. This is a cabled, it needs to be cabled. Again, I don't know how to get into it. It looks like a method of opening the back somehow. I won't force it, don't know what I'm doing at the moment. It goes that way up, obviously. And this is how you set up the Teams Rooms. The main components of this 400 system is this screen, the PC, and the soundbar with integrated camera and speakers and microphone. So that's it for now. I'll come back with more.